This is quite a tough and challenging time, and it's not always easy. But I make a point of looking after myself so that I can look after others. I had to learn to do that, and I can sometimes be a bit selfish about that, but I actually think I need to do that too. My husband is 12 years older than I am, and he has several health challenges. One of them is cancer, and also a little bit of cognitive decline. So I find that my time is spent a lot at home. It's part of life, and sometimes it can be pretty tough, especially when he becomes really ill and needs to be hospitalised, which happens quite frequently. In some ways, it's a better relationship now than it perhaps was then. But clearly, things have changed dramatically. I think he's more considerate. Yeah, and he does appreciate what I do, so yeah, and I know that. It's made me realise how important stable relationships within a marriage are to the rest of the family.